Alright, Dora is right here and she's going to start off with some mental imagery exercise. As you can see, lovely Singapore has its MRT that's also here to visit us. What's going to happen is I'm going to lead her in a script of some mental imagery, or I think in simple English it's called imagination. You can just use this term. However, the difference between general imagination and mental imagery is that when you use mental imagery, you want to acquire or you want to improve a certain skill. These can be used, for example, before exams. For example, before you step into the exam hall, you can imagine yourself holding the pen and writing very smoothly without any interruptions and without feeling stuck. All you need to do is just take 2 minutes. Now, a lot of the books out there, they tell you, oh, you need to take some time to in order for mental imagery to work. Well, that is true. However, if you want to have a certain situation, just 2 to 3 minutes of mental imagery, you can see some results. So perhaps before you go for an interview, you want to appear less nervous, just imagine yourself walking through the door, having a firm handshake with the interviewer, sitting down confidently. Close your eyes, go to a corner, and just take about 3 minutes to do this. After which, open your eyes and carry out the actual activity. So mental imagery is something like a rehearsal, but not really in bodily function, but in your mind. But the good thing is it will transfer into your actual event or incident. All right. So what we're going now? So now Dora is going to try to do a bit of mental imagery, and let us see whether it really works to improve her timing. Now, just now it was about 3 seconds or so. We didn't really time it accurately, but it's about there. Let us just see whether she can improve her time frame. So let me just try to guide her in a mental imagery script, and you can do the same as well. All you need is just your mobile and just or any kind of voice recorder. Record yourself speaking whatever that you would like to really overcome or would like to improve, and just play it back before you actually do that incident. For example, if you are playing an instrument, you want to improve on a certain tone or singing talent you have. All right, now let us just guide Dora in this skill. Okay, Dora, what you want you to do is, can you please just close your eyes? The reason why we close our eyes is because you want to block out external distractions. Close your eyes, and what I want you to do is try to take a very deep breath. You don't have to forcefully raise your shoulders, but what I need to do is try to breathe in deep through your nostrils and hold for a slow count of 2 seconds, and exhale through your mouth as though you're whistling, but don't whistle, so it's like a oh. Try it out. Okay, try to take another 2 or 3 deep breaths. Very good. So what I want you to do now is the reason why we have that just close your eyes and just listen. Why we have that deep breaths that we take is because we would like you to be in a relaxed state. Once you're in a relaxed state, you'll be able to actually imagine the scene much better. However, do not worry if you do not see images. Not all of us are the visual kind of learners. We don't have time to explain in further what this means. We will do it in another video. However, just remember that if you do not see a clear colored image of yourself, it is fine. Do not worry. Just make sure that you know you like to have you like to achieve a faster speed than just now, and without dropping the masking tape. So just take note of just the process. Okay, so now just imagine yourself with the masking tape on the top of your head. You feel your footsteps walking. Feel each and every step. Feel your spine straight. The muscles in your legs strengthening, and you're walking fast, and you're walking steadily, and you are extremely stable. The masking tape is extremely stable on top of your head. It is not going anywhere. you are able to move from one end to the other in a very fast speed. Imagine yourself walking step by step by step. Feel yourself walking at a very fast speed with the masking tape on top of your head, and feel yourself walking back to the start point. Okay. Once you have done that, can you replay that scene in your head? It might take about 15 seconds. Just replay it, or maybe less than that. Replay it again. You can open your eyes and imagine that scene as well. And once you have done that, give us a thumbs up and we will. Alright, cool. Now join us back for the next clip where we will test Dora again and let us see whether her time will be improved. Join us back.